miles out.
Yeah.
I think there's like one stick back, and there's only like 0.3 miles, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pizza was a great idea. Oh. If you need any water, let me know.
Oh, okay. I appreciate that.
Oh. I got in here. It's a little warm from being in the car.
That's fine. I'll actually take a sip real quick.
Oh my goodness. It's kind of like weird straw. It's clean.
Mm-hmm.
I just wear chapstick a lot, so it has like a lot of excess chapstick on the straw.
Thank you so much.
Yes, of course. Say the word, I got you.
Okay.
You sure or not?
I don't know if it's like all of Ohio or if it's like a Cleveland thing, but it's like, oh no, Cincinnati chili.
Okay, that's a thing.
Whew.
Would you look at that tree? Oh, let's just take a minute and just look at that tree.
Wow. It's a nice tree. Whew. Kind of see the mountains around through the trees a little bit. Just like a shadow.
In the Bahamas, there's a myth, and it's kind of like a Loraxy kind of myth. But see two trees crisscrossing. Make sure you really respect the environment because Chickcharney lives in there. The Chickcharney is like an owl person mixture. That's like the Lorax, but will kill you.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
Nice. We will abide by Bahamas rules.
Yes. In New York.
In New York.
I heard there's a great tree around the corner we need to look at too.
Okay. I think so. Yeah, I heard about that too.
Yeah. Chickcharney said so. Oh God.
Oh my God. It's so rocky.
We're supposed to be going that way in a minute. I have hope, but I'm scared.
Yeah, if you do need to go back at any point, we can.
I appreciate it.
I will not be upset. There might have been a kid.
I like a thunk from there.
Oh.
Okay. We love that. We're being respectful Chickcharney, I promise.
Oh. Whew.
I'm sorry, just keep working on your video.
Oh, you're good. I didn't even hear you. Acorn. Oh, there's another one if you want.
Oh, okay.
See it?
Okay, we found the acorn spot. Remember this. Oh.
It does sound like there's something going on there.
Okay. These ones are good. The last one was pretty shallow. This one's a bit deeper. Have you seen Bob's Burgers?
Yes.
I relate to regular size Rudy in so many ways. Where's your inhaler? In my backpack.
Yeah. I do like regular size Rudy.
I need some inhaler every 2 hours or he'll die.
Honestly, Bob's Burgers is seriously probably one of the better like adult family cartoon sitcoms in my opinion.
And I love how unhinged it started to like where it is now. Season 13 literally almost killed me. It's beautiful.
I should make an effort to watch it again because I stopped years ago.
Yeah.
Rory really likes it, and so we watched a couple episodes. But no, it's so good.
It's so good. Okay. I won't do any spoilers, but have you seen? Okay, I've seen two. Have you seen the episode where they go and visit Bob's mom's grave?
I don't remember it.
No worries. That one is, oh god, tears, snot flowing out of my nose. And then have you seen the movie?
No, I haven't.
Oh my god. It is actually incredible. Like I have it downloaded on my phone.
Oh, nice.
Oh god, I don't like how dramatic this downhill is. We're gonna have to go back up it.
Very good. Very good.
Oh, it's plastic. I thought it was a snake skin.
Oh, yeah.
See, Chick Charney? We got you, boo.
I don't. Oh man.
What the hell is this?
Very large rock.
There's steps right here, but I want to try. Look at that beetle.
Oh, that is
He's so
gorgeous. Stay.
Maybe it's more like a fly.
Oh.
It's so vibrant.
Yeah, very bright green.
He's like flying like a fly. But, oh god, look at that. That's insane.
So bright green.
Hello, friend. Thank you. I appreciate you. Yep, you're good. of these rocks are artistic too. Like they're so smooth.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we're looking.
Wow, look at this tree! Oh god, I love it.
Wow, that is so cool. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see clearing. Ooh.
Yes. I'm like, maybe.
Oh yeah. We didn't complain once.
No.
Actually, I didn't complain once. That was so beautiful. I think. Stop that! Your recommendation was amazing. Bugs sprayed up and ready to go.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
How are you?
Not bad.
You can do.
We're doing raisins. You could do raisins, or you could do one of those little fruit bars.
Yeah, this is
Oh, thank you.
it's gorgeous. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous.
It's actually kind of trippy.